Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use subtotal in Excel pivot table. So let's start this my Excel and here you can see I have a data. So here I'm going to insert first pivot table. Simply select the data, go to the insert tab. In tables group, click on the pivot table option. Then click on the from table or range option and here the one dialog box is open. Here the table range is automatically selected. Then click on the new worksheets, then click on OK and that's it. Here you can see the new worksheet is added. Then add the pivot tables fields. You can just drag and here your pivot table fields. So amount I drag in values, items in rows, price in values. Okay. You can just click on it box also. It's automatically added also here. And see here, I added here quantity in rows. Here the pivot table is ready. Okay, I just close this fields and here I'm going to add the subtotal in this pivot table. Okay, subtotal is already added. You can see hard disks for total amount is 61,360,5590. Okay, just click on this inside the pivot table and go to the design tab. In layout group have a subtotal option. Just click on this drop down arrow and first option do not show the subtotal. When I click on it, the all subtotal is removed. I click this option, do not show the subtotal. See, the all subtotal of the every item is removed. Again click on the subtotal option and show all the subtotal at bottom of group. When I click on it, the all subtotal is showing on the bottom of the group. So hard disk subtotal here 61,360 and 55,905 for price. Okay, same as keyboard. The bottom of the group is subtotal is showing here. Click on again this option and there is a third option, show all subtotal at the top of the group. When I click on this option, you can see the all item subtotal is showing on top of the group. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.